What's up, guys? My name is Elliot, back with another video. What's up, guys? My name is Elliot, back with another video. I'm doing part 2 of unboxing video! That's a bit too loud. I'm unboxing. And I show you guys have seen the other one. I've already opened them. Yeah, I'm sorry, guys. I've already opened them. Hey, Dad. Fucking open. I'll just show you the yellow one. But that mouth. Peeps, 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 peeps. What are you on about, Willis? Yeah, Willis. Don't talk about me like that, bitch. What? That's no fair. Yeah. You talk to me like that? Talk to me like that? No, no, no. Talk to me like that. I'm out. Bye. And here's the face. Is it? What up? What up? What up? What's up? I'm out. Yeah, he doesn't want to be disturbed anymore, but he's on me using these. Yeah, these are the things that I made a punch and all that move. Control them. The SNES. I'm joking, they're not SNES. Don't believe me if you think I'm going to say I hate those. Don't believe me. Please. Just don't. Don't believe me. But that was really zoomed in. Okay, guys? Next. Here's his cousin. You can meet him. Really? Like me, I don't want to be on the shore. Well, you have to, okay? You have to. Really? No, no, no. No, 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 I'm there. Oh, Mamacita, you have to. No, no, Mamacita, I don't want to. Mamacita, you have to listen to me. Just get back in the hidey hole. My name is Mario. My name is Mario too, me. My name is Mario. Yeah. Okay. Don't know what. Oh, well. Fuck that shit, I'm out. Fuck that shit, I'm out. Alright then. Oh, mommy. Sorry about that. It isn't controlled. It's the same thing but blue. Okay, guys. Like I said. Hope you enjoy. You say bye. Bye, guys. And like I said again, please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe. I'll see all you dudes in the next video. I mean it.